Hi, this morning I would like to speak to the veteran who just came from Iraq, Afghanistan. I have read that there is a lot of suicide on veterans, and this should not be done. This should not, I mean, this should not be like that because there's no reason for kill yourself. There are people who love you, there are people who need you, there are people who need that you provide them food, clothing, house. They're friends who care about you and want to listen to you. If you speak with them, your ideas will show up and you will see clear what the real situation is. I can tell about myself that I was in a battlefield also. I just came from battlefield real depressed. I lost my house, my new car. I got divorced. My wife take my daughter far away from me. I had to look for a job, but I don't have a good resume, a good experience on the big city. The military experience is sometimes not good, and also there's people who think that they don't want to hire a veteran because they might be depressed with mental disorders, or they are violent, they have been killed people, and they might kill someone in the work environment. So it is not easy to find a job. Also, you're depressed, you're anxious, you're post-traumatic, and then with that kind of mood you cannot find a job. Your facial expression will show that your body language not enthusiastic, no motivation. Nobody wants to hire a person who is sad and not motivated and enthusiastic. So you have to wait at least 1 month, 2 months, whatever you have to wait to get in shape with your mood, and then you can go and look for a job. And I know you're a hero, I know I am a hero, but they don't know. So you will find a lot of things that make you more crazy that we're supposed to be. But there's no reason for kill yourself. There's a lot of things that you can do for depression, like listen music, go to the movies, talk to a friend. But the most important thing is talk to somebody who listen to you, not to somebody who criticize you or see you as a strange person or whatever. But first, when you talk, listen to this. When you talk, you will come with new ideas. You will see the whole picture. So listen to this. I hope you have a good day today and tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. So take care of yourself, take care of your family, and you will be fine in a couple of weeks. So take care. Bye bye. Thank you for listening to this video. Bye bye.